In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a virtual machine from a snapshot of a disk in Microsoft Azure. This process is incredibly useful for quick restores, cloning existing VMs, or crafting test environments from a predefined disk state. So, let's dive right into it. Firstly, in order to get started, it's essential that you have or create a snapshot of a managed disk. Typically, this would be the operating system disk of an already existing virtual machine. If you haven't taken this step yet, what you need to do is head over to the Azure portal. Once you're there, navigate to the Disks section. Select the disk that you're focusing on, like the OS disk of your VM, and click on Create Snapshot. You'll be prompted to fill in necessary details such as the resource group, name, region, source disk, and snapshot type, whether full or incremental. After completing this, all you need to do is wait patiently for the snapshot process to finalize. Once you've got your snapshot ready, the next stage is to create a managed disk from this snapshot. From the Azure portal, proceed to select Create a Resource, and then navigates to Managed Disk. Here, choose Snapshot as your source type and select your previously created snapshot as the source. You'll be required to decide the size and type of disk, ensuring that it's at least as large as the original disk to avoid any issues. Once you create the disk, wait until it reaches the unattached state, if it's an OS disk, that is. The next part of our journey involves creating a virtual machine utilizing the managed disk you just created. You have a couple of options here, using Azure CLI or the Azure portal. For those inclined towards using the Azure CLI, here's a simplified process. First, set your subscription with Azure CLI using your subscription ID. Next, acquire the snapshot ID by executing a command to show the snapshot details using your resource group name and snapshot name. After you've got the snapshot ID, you're ready to create the disk using commands that specify the resource group, name for the new OS disk, the disk's storage type, and its size. Lastly, you'll create your virtual machine by attaching the OS disk using this same set of details and ensuring you specify the OS type, whether Linux or Windows, depending on your needs. This script comes directly from the comprehensive Microsoft documentation, ensuring you have a reliable blueprint to follow. And there you have it. With these steps, you are well equipped to create a VM from a snapshot in Azure, which can greatly enhance your operational flexibility and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!